How to make a passport photo on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to go and create your own passport photo using your iPhone. Now the first thing you need to do is go and use your selfie camera to take a photo of yourself. Now when you take the photo, try to take it on a plain background like you see here. Now once you have your photo open, go and use your finger to hold down on the photo. Once you've done this, this should go and outline the photo like so. You can then click on the Share button and then scroll down and click on Save Image. Now if you head back over to your camera gallery, you can see that this is going to remove the background so it's completely white like this. Now once you have your selfie with the white background, now all we need to do is convert this into the right dimensions. Now to do this, go and select the photo. You can then click on the edit icon in the bottom navigation and then just press crop. You can then select the square icon in the top right hand side of the screen, scroll across these different options and go and select square from the list. You then just need to make sure that the subject is centered in the screen like this, and once you've finished, just go and press done. As you can see, we now have our passport photo, and this is now ready to upload to be used as our passport photo.